Good morning, kindergartners. I just want to say a big shout out to Ariana, Amara, Aviana, and Alyssa, Connor, Drake, Tristan, and Brandon. Good morning to Brylin and Zoe and Tatum and Coley and Vivian. Good morning, Tobias, Aiden, and Axel. Hey, before we do our calendar song, somebody else wants to say hi to you. So let's find out who it is. Oh, there it is. There is Lava. Here's a video for you I made today.
Good morning, kindergartners. Lava is saying good morning to you. He is safe and sound. He's surrounded by some minions. Sorry, there's a minion. Here's some of his fish food. He gets to look at the Ninja Turtles. So, Lava, can you say hi to the kids? Hi, everybody. I miss you. I lava you. I lava. Oh, he's going up to the surface. Ooh, look at him. Ooh, Lava. Wow, he was showing you a trick he's been working on. He misses his kindergartners. He misses them. Ooh, but he is hanging out with the ninjas. He is hanging out with a minion. And it looks like he's got a Pokemon watch to look at. Josiah has him all set up. All right. Bye.
That was fun to see Lava, wasn't it? He is doing great. The first few days that he was at my house, he just kind of seemed like he was in a daze. Like he was thinking, what's going on? Where's my kindergartners? It's too quiet here. But today he really looked happy, so he's adjusting just like we all are adjusting. Let's sing our song. There is a month with 31 days and March is its name. Oh, M-A-R-C-H, 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 and March is its name. Oh, leprechauns and shamrocks too. Spring is almost here. Oh, M-A-R-C-H, 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 and March is its name. Oh. All right, let's do the calendar. Today is Wednesday, March 25th. There we go. Today is the day that you can drive with your parents or walk with your parents to pick up all of your school belongings. And I put together a packet or a folder full of learning materials, and you even have a little iPad. You have one of our school's iPads in your bag. And that iPad is for you to do your very best. That's how I'm going to teach you. And you're going to hook up to Seesaw, and I'm going to do some teaching, and I'm going to give you assignments and activities. You know how we used to go to that light bulb? I'm going to show you how to do that again. But that's how I'm going to assign your learning. It'll be very interesting. We're all in this together. So, all right, let's move on to the next slide. Today isn't the 24th, but today is the 25th. Remember, 3 stands for March. 25 stands for how many days have been in March so far. And the 20 stands for our year, 2020. Oh my gosh, you are going to be so in shape by the time you are done with the tally marks. Let's do 25 of them. Are you ready? Make sure you stand up, get your arm ready, because I want you to slash or to do each tally, and then make sure you sit down at the slash. Are you ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sit down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sit down. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Are you sitting down? Okay, stand up. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Are you sitting down? Okay, stand up. 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Are you sitting down? Hey, guess what, kids? So Tobias went on this hunt. He went hunting for hearts and he went hunting for bears. And what he found, each time he'd find hearts and each time he'd find a bear, he would make a tally. And I think he tallied something like 40. So these hearts and these bears are found in windows. So maybe your parents could take you on a drive and you could look for hearts and bears and then you could tally them. So Tobias, thank you for being a leader in showing us an activity that we could do with tallying. Good job. Okay, next page. Okay, let's go to the weather. Right now at 6 a.m. it's 27 degrees and it's cloudy. All right. Guess I'm not getting my green today, am I? Okay, so 27. So we go to the thermometer. This is called a thermometer. And we need to do 27. We gotta look for 27. Well, I'm gonna start at 0. And then I'm gonna start with counting by tens. And then I'm gonna count by ones. Here, watch. 10, 20. Now I'm gonna count by ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. If I pull this over, what color am I going to color the box? Blue. Here we go. Doot, 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 doot. And it's cloudy, cloudy. Oh, boys and girls, the way the weather tracker looks right now, we have a pattern. Look at this. I'm noticing this pattern. Partly cloudy, partly cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. Partly cloudy, partly cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. Oh my word, we have a pattern. If the pattern were to continue, what would tomorrow need to be? That's right, it would need to be partly cloudy. Well, I guess the only thing we can do is wait till tomorrow. All right, let's clean this up. Boop. What is today? If yesterday was Tuesday and tomorrow is going to be Thursday, what is today? What is today? is it's Wednesday. That's right. So, if somebody asks you what today is, you could say, today is Wednesday. Then you could say, yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. All right, here's our number for right now. Okay, the number I'm going to put is the number 72. Ooh, 72. So, what number comes before 72? 71. And then what number comes after 72? Yep, you're right, 73. Did you know that in 1973, that's a year, that's when I was born. I was born in 1973. Seems like a long time ago, but I still feel pretty good. I'm aging pretty well. All right, Connor, it's not your birthday quite yet, but you are coming up. So Tristan turns 6 in March, and Drake turns 6 in March, and Connor is gonna turn 6. Anybody lost a tooth? Let me know if you've lost a tooth. Leave a comment. Can you leave a comment? I don't know. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. I miss you. Let me know what you're up to. I love pictures. I love videos. And pretty soon, we're going to be able to talk almost daily because you're going to have iPads. And your iPads are going to be connected to me, and I can teach you through the iPad. Have a wonderful Wednesday.